Ward R North, Daisari. Sanjay Gandhi National Park, once considered Mumbai's last natural lung, is now fighting to survive. You need to see this before it's too late, because this is a story your news channel won't show you. At Daisar Lake, inside the SGNP buffer zone, what you see here is not just neglect. It's slow, quiet, illegal capture of forest land. No proper demarcation, no functional checkpoints, and absolutely no monitoring. People have begun occupying corners of the forest, building temporary structures and slowly pushing deeper inside. Cigarette butts, alcohol bottles, and garbage scattered across the forest range. This isn't just litter, it's proof that the forest is being misused as a backyard for activities that do not belong in a protected ecosystem. Garbage from nearby settlements end up inside the forest, adding to the pollution already choking this zone. Right next to the lake, a pipe is directly drawing water from Daisar Lake to supply the so-called checkpoint, turning a protected water body into an uncontrolled source, creating a mess where a lake should be breathing clean. This area falls under Ward R North, but on ground, it feels like nobody has checked this region in years. No supervision, no accountability, and no urgency. Even as Mumbai's AQI keeps dropping, step outside the forest and the picture doesn't get any better. Daisar East is choking. Dust pollution from the ongoing metro red line construction fills the air. There are no dust nets, no sprinklers, no containment measures, nothing that protects citizens' lungs. The highway stays jammed with trucks, autos, illegal hawking, debris, and dirt, making daily breathing a challenge for the people living here. And if you still don't believe it, listen to someone who's been resident of this area since 30 years.
और यहाँ पे एनक्रोचमेंट्स बहुत हो रहे हैं और अनऑथराइज्ड पार्किंग का मेजर प्रॉब्लम है. आप देख सकते हो हाईवे का एटलीस्ट 20%, 20-25% is under unauthorized parking, due to which the capacity of the highway has reduced a lot. You can see it from here. अगर वो सारे ट्रक्स या जो भी अनऑथराइज्ड पार्किंग व्हीकल्स अगर सारे हट जाए, यहाँ पे कभी ट्रैफिक जाम हो ही नहीं. ट्रैफिक वजह से ट्रैवलिंग बिकम्स अ मेजर प्रॉब्लम. और हर जगह पे धूल है. अभी वहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है, बट you can see carefully कि कंस्ट्रक्शन की जगह पे ग्रीन मैच लगाने बोले, बट there is nothing in place, due to which यहाँ की एयर क्वालिटी बहुत ही खराब हो रही है. The BMC elections had happened a long time ago. They have, I think, around 7-8 years से हुआ नहीं है मुंबई में. It's in terrible condition and staying in Daisar since 30 years. 20 years back Daisar जैसा था वैसा Daisar हमको फिर से करके दो. Make it clean, make it safe to stay, and make it more green.
While Mumbai talks about fighting pollution, this ward is suffocating from every direction. The forest is being eaten away from the inside, and the city is being poisoned from the outside. If this is how we treat the last bit of nature we have left, and if this is the kind of urban planning we accept, then Mumbai's natural lungs are not just shrinking, they are dying in silence. And no prime-time debate is going to show you this. This forest is fighting for its life, and so is Mumbai. Share the video, raise your voice, and demand accountability, because silence is how ecosystem dies.